chicken salad lettuce tacos.
Good afternoon. Just finished grocery shopping, laid down our youngest, and now I am going to take a nap. I am really tired today. I just woke up from my nap, and I am going to Depot to get a closet rod and possibly some plexiglass to create a lid for the fake money that the girls use for school. See what I can find. That would work. So I just got this adjustable closet rod that is going to go in this closet, attached to this piece of wood that's already here and attached here as well. And we'll see how well that fits. Alright, there we have it. We have a pole. This is going to be another project. We have a floor lamp that I need to rewire, and I think this is everything I need to put that together. Alright, so this is the lamp that I'm going to rewire. I already started taking it apart. I'm going to take this off and see if I can replace all of this. So that is the goal. So, what I have here is old lamp, and it was giving my wife some shocks. So I need to take off this old light socket. It is unplugged, by the way. And it looks like it's just 2 screws. And this wiring has definitely seen better days. Like even the plug is super sketchy. So there's that. See if the new one will just fit onto there, but I'm going to replace the wiring. I need to untie it. I'm not sure how I'm going to get this through this again. Does this unscrew? This might unscrew too. Urgh. I think it does, but it might be kind of stuck on there. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Exactly what I want. If not, I might have to do something creative. Alright. Oops. It won't hurt to take all this off. Not much to it though, that's kind of cool. A new cable. I just need to feed it through everything. How close am I? I knew this thing would come in handy. Little boroscope. It's like right there. It's almost at the end. Not sure if you can see that, but there's the wire. It's like right at the end. It's just stuck a little bit, so it's almost there. That's good. And it gets super easy to do that. Okay. It's probably way more than I need, which is good. Alright. Now that I have the wire, I'm going to go ahead and reassemble the decorative part. Okay, so I had to review the footage to make sure that I was putting this together right, and so now it's in the correct order. That was a lot easier to feed it through this than I thought it was going to be, that's for sure. Alright. Here, I'll bring you closer so you can see. Alright. So this is the knot that I needed to make. Alright. So the internet and the box is telling me that the ribbed wire goes to the silver colored screw, which is this one. So I am going to put that, I'm going to bend it first. There we go. Around silver colored screw. Ugh. Focus, there we go. Then I have the brass colored screw. Brass colored. Silver colored. I think we're good there. Put that back in there. Well, I think I'm going to have to figure out the rest of the lamp. It doesn't quite fit right here where it's supposed to screw on. It's too high. So I need to figure out what's taking up that space. After putting it together, I figured out why this wasn't going on. I had to turn the interior pole a little bit so that I could get the thread up here to thread this on. But now it's all together, and now have a lamp, and it works, and it's pretty. This is our library lamp, and I wired it correctly, and it didn't blow the circuit breaker, so that's always good. Anyway, have a good night. I will see you tomorrow. So what I have here is my daughter's ukulele. We bought this online. And so what I'm going to do is take this one screw and hope it fits her ukulele's pegs. Otherwise I'm going to have to replace all 4 of these. But let's find out. I'm going to unscrew this. That's a lot smaller of a screw than I was expecting. Alright, super teeny screw. Now, that in there. Question is, does this screw fit? If it does, it will save a lot of time of having to do a lot more little screws. I imagine the thread size should be pretty similar. Yay, it works. So that was a $10 screw. Cool. Now it's ready to be restrung. And this I will save with the other parts. Because I had to buy all this just to get that one screw. Now for reals, I'm going to bed. Good night.